Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Or bonsoir, whatever one it is. We're back. BTOO Open 2020. This is the class we taught on Saturday that was titled, wow. So leaders, we started off with a nice easy sugar push. We kept both hands to let the followers know that something most likely is going to happen with one or the other hand. Leaders, count 2. I'm going to flip my left hand up. Followers, you're going to straighten your arm and do a little bit of a twist into the 3. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Leaders, I keep that hand. Leaders, release the hand early enough so the followers have time to style their arm and then back down. And leaders, notice that I keep the compression right at my hip in case if Shelley decides to give me a little bit more leverage here, I totally support her on my hip, as opposed to if she gives me leverage and I'm on my hand, it feels like I haven't eaten my Wheaties, right? So we've got to be strong on the hip. So again, the flip happens on 2 and. 1, 2, and to get to the 3. So there's compression on the 3, it still remains a sugar push. Leaders, I lead the follower back for 4 with my body, not my arm. 4. Followers, notice that Shelley did a little bit of a roll there. We come out for triple step. From here, we're doing an open whip. We're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaders, count 5 for the basic one. You're going to do a behind the back for 5, 6. 5, 6. I'm going to walk the followers down for 7, 8. 7, 8. Followers, you're going to spiral or do a little bit of a ronde there. Come out with an outside turn, and we both triple. And followers, we gave you different options in the class. Spiral, ronde, plie, releve, whatever you want. One of the things that Shelley did was that sometimes she goes really deep and she uses me to kind of get compression there and then back down. So leaders, for me, I hang there, try not to bend, give the follower support. So when the follower pulls down, I compress up. So again, if Shelley decides that her knees are really good this morning, yes, she can totally go down, but there's a little bit of leverage there. So I don't go down so that she'll end the floor. So we gave you a couple of options. You get to play with them and you have some fun. The other option is that the followers can initiate a ride. So as the leader brings this in, and I go 1 open whip, yes, and then I go into this ride, as the leaders come around, followers, if you initiate this step and you step out, you'll see that there's enough for the ride there. We'll show it the other way as well. And then I come up and then slide out. But the followers have to initiate that. So, as this comes around, so we see it. As the follower comes around, you'll see that Shelley, when she takes her weight onto her right leg, she steps out, as opposed to taking the weight down across. So that means she's just going to walk it out. But when she steps away, it creates nice leverage movement. I feel that, and I go ahead and grab the back. She swings the leg around, and we come back out, and we do it. And we talked about followers can leave the leg out, they can leave the leg behind, they can bring the leg up. Most important thing is that you have to shoot your momentum out with the right leg. So you've got walk, walk, triple, and step out. That moment there is when you close the leg, it comes around. Leaders, notice that I'm still connected on the back. I bring the followers up. We step away and slide away. Good? There was a lot of fun in that class. Nobody got hurt. Thanks for coming out. Go team.